This is what we are to expect for the day on WTI crude oil. This video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can share your ideas, you can share your strategy, you can also share your market updates, you can get to connect with traders, analysts, and also developers. Invest Social is a community whereby you can get to connect, and it is a community that has a session for any financial market to trade, be it the stock market or the crypto market or the commodity market or even the forex market. Invest Social has a session for every of these. To be part of this community, guys, make sure you visit investsocial.com, starting with the trend for the day on gold. Gold is literally in an uptrend move. Pay attention to this movement right here on our daily time frame. We had multiple rejection at this zone, which made market to bounce up. Then we were able to have a pullback. Now, pay attention to this. Market was now able to push up to form a new higher high. Then we now were able to have a pullback, which is an higher low. Market was now able to give us a new higher high, and this was a pullback, which is an higher low. Market then was able to push up to form a new higher high. Of course, once you see something like this, a pullback that will form an higher low is what you should be expecting next. So I believe this pullback should come to a level of 4,580. That is what I will be watching out. That is the pullback. That is the level I'll be watching the pullback to. So I will be expecting markets to pull back to a level of 4,580. That is what we should be expecting for the day on gold. Now, let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame. Now, let's zoom it in right here. On this 4-hour time frame, there is a series of higher high and higher low. Of course, we can see that markets are able to react from this moving average. Also, we had a reaction at this moving average. So I believe markets will come back to this level of 4,580 before markets can be able to react and push up. So I believe a pullback is still playing, and that pullback should continue to play out for the day. Now, the question is that could there be changes to this movement? Remember, always make sure your buyers are flexible. So if there's changes, we can easily change. We can actually make some adjustments and changes. But if you find this analysis very helpful, make sure you do well to visit investsocial.com to stay connected and also to share your own insights and updates on what you think will likely play out next.